How to increase conversion rate? That's the topic we are going to cover today. Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Mitra and in this channel we discuss about marketing tips, tricks and strategies. So if you are watching this right now on YouTube, consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, if you are watching this on Facebook, LinkedIn or IGTV, consider follow me, so whenever we upload any new video on any of this platform, you will get notified. I am going to discuss 5 key points that you need to focus on to increase your conversion rate. Later on at the end of this video, I'll share few more points also. So make sure you are watching this video till the end and do not skip any part. So the number one is remove distraction. If your goal is either lead generation or getting any purchase, everything is under conversion obviously. But whatever your goal is, you need to focus on the main key points. Do not use any other icons, animation or anything. That's okay, that's good for a perfect website, but you are building any landing page or anything to increase your conversion. So remove all the distraction and focus on the key parts. That's your headline, that's your text, your video, your call to action. These parts, don't use any other excessive things that's actually not needed. Second, you need to focus on the steps. Make sure your steps are very optimized and do not make your visitor too much complicated with the huge steps and huge formalities and functionalities. Use very simple steps. If you are running any ads or if your visitors are coming from any social media, let them come to your first landing page, whether it's your opt-in page or anything, then your video sales letter or any type of sales letter, then purchase. All the process should be very optimized and make them use handy, so they can easily type their name very fast. They can go for the faster checkout they can. So make these things very easy so they can proceed it faster. Don't make it too much complicated for them. Third, you need to focus on your call to action text and that color. Your call to action is the main part of all of your landing page. Make sure your call to action is actually highlighted and people can see the vision where they have to click. And the text, don't just subscribe now, complete purchase this. No, use something that can motivate them, like something, the call to action like, yes, I am ready to take the action, or I am ready to take the action and complete the purchase. Make some engaging call to action so they can, whenever they are clicking on this, they are ready, they are pretty much motivated to click the link and exchange you their email or their card to make the purchase or anything. So your call to action text very much important, and also the color, so that can highlight your call to action rather than all your text. So focus on your call to action text and also the color. Number 4 point, you can tweak your hook. So see, whenever you are starting, obviously you have to test whatever hook is perfect for you. If it's not working, then try to tweak your hook, like the main hook. Like for me, if I'm running a ad campaign for coach and consultant, so my hook would be probably how to generate high ticket clients for coach and consultant and having a great life or anything something. So basically, if your initial hook is not working perfect for you, or you cannot see too much conversion them, try to tweak some words into your hook. Try to tweak something and test. If you are testing it, and if you try to test each of this hook, then obviously you will get the difference and the results. So if your initial hook is not working, try tweaking your hook also. That will be perfect for your conversion also. Number 5, that is very much important. Obviously you should paste your testimonial, but the best option is if you could paste your video testimonial. That converts very well, so because that is more personalized. People are recording their video showing their face and some good review for you. So if you can embed your video testimonial of your previous clients, your success stories, then that's the perfect way to increase more conversion. Another way, you can attach a screenshot also. Like suppose if you have a Trustpilot account and people are posting their review on Trustpilot, Facebook, Google, anywhere, you can take the screenshot and you can paste them. Obviously you can use any other reviews on the custom HTML obviously, but the more if you need more conversion rate, then best option obviously first of all video testimonial and then this kind of screenshot based reviews also. So here are the total 5 points. Obviously, let me recap once again. First of all, remove all the distraction. Make sure your steps are very much easy for your users. Third, you should focus on your call to action text and the color. Number 4, you have to tweak your hook to test how the conversion is running. Number 5, you should focus on the video testimonial and screenshot based reviews. Now here are some additional tips that you can also use. First of all, you can use any live chat box. You can use Facebook chat box. You can use HubSpot. You can, if you are using GetResponse or any type of email marketing, they also provide the chat box, so you can use those chat box. So people on the sales process, if they have any query, they can easily insert their query and you can instantly reply them or reply them after a few hours or anything. So you can use this. Also, if you are selling any products or anything, you can use this sales countdown timer also. That also helps you a lot more into your conversion rate. So if you have the deadline, like it will be, this offer will end within some hours, then people are more likely to purchase it right now. So it's quite like a hurry up offer. So you can use the kind of countdown timer also, but obviously it's based on your testing, how your conversion is running right now, and after adding the countdown timer, how your conversion. So you have to test and measure all the points. After all of this, if still your conversion is not working, then maybe there's some issue into your offer also. There's something in your offer, so you have to tweak your offer also. Even I am also teaching the same into my coaching program also. You have to focus on the offer. So you have lots of products obviously, but you have to focus what offer is perfect for you, so they can either pay their credit cards or they can extend their emails. So you have to craft a perfect offer. If your initial offer is not working, if you have done all the tweaks and but still the conversion rate is very much low, then try tweaking your offer also. Low down the price or add more products into that offer or anything. Try to test and tweak each and everything. I do the same, and I teach other people also the same in the coaching program also. Another point you can use, that is the pop-up form field. Obviously, if you are using any lead generation form, you can use the form into your pop-up. You can use exit pop-up. You can use form field as a pop-up, so whenever they are clicking the button, and they will come up, the pop-up will come up with your form field. You can do that. Or if someone exit your page, you can add a exit pop-up. You can then send it to any downsell page or anything. So you can use this pop-up. This also work pretty well to convert your customers. So you can try and test this kind of, and if you have any query after that, you can obviously either comment below or you can reach out to me on any other social medias obviously. But the first step, obviously, you have to try it and test. You have to test these things into your funnels also, because until you test any of this, you will not see any results. So try and test each of this part and see what result you are getting, and I'll see you on next video.